Hey, what is up, ladies and gents? My name is Prashil and welcome back to my channel, the home of everything art and tech related. I hope you've all had a great Christmas and I hope that this year is much better than last year, that's for sure. And in today's video, which is actually my first of the new year, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 in product red, as you can see here. And, and for my shirt color, it seems red is going to be the theme of the video. Let's get into it. Now, just a bit of a disclosure before we get into the video, I actually shot this footage about over a month ago, so last year, and I just never got really the time to actually get into it. I just came back from vacation where I was traveling around my country, New Zealand. I went to a cool place called Queenstown. I will be putting up footage of that, which was actually shot on this iPhone 12 in 4K at 60 frames per second, so stay tuned for that video. Alright, I've taken up enough time, let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so here's the iPhone 12 in product red, and I gotta say, looking at the box, it is pretty underwhelming. I mean, it was a big surprise that Apple decided to take out the charging brick, which I guess, shouldn't be too much of a surprise, as they were the ones that yanked out the headphone jack, and they were also pushing for MagSafe and wireless charging, so yeah, not a big surprise there, now that I think about it. Alright, so with the clear wrap off, looking at the box and just at the back, it's important to note that I purchased the 128GB version, and if you are interested in this phone, I would highly recommend you go for the 128GB model, because the 64GB base model is just not enough, especially in these times where software takes up a significant portion of the actual memory of a phone. Now I gotta say, looking at the phone in the light, it does look pretty nice. Contrary to what many people have said online, the phone is a bit light in color, and I would have preferred it to be a little bit darker, like the product red versions for the iPhone 8, but it still doesn't look too bad, and I would still choose this color over the others that are offered. Now going into the box itself, you get a product red card, which shows that you've helped the cause. You got that SIM ejector tool, some information cards, and some Apple stickers. And that's pretty much all that came in the folder. So yeah, just having a look at the product red card, it is pretty cool that they include that in there, just to let you know that you are supporting a good cause. So let's put that back in the folder. Alright, and now we can move on to the charging cable itself. And I gotta say, it is kind of underwhelming opening this box. There's not much to it here, knowing that the charging brick is no longer present. And I guess the next big question is whether or not there will actually be a charging cable included in the next generation iPhones, as Apple, as we all know, is really pushing for MagSafe. Alright, so let's get onto the phone itself, what everyone's been waiting for. And yeah, I will admit, it is a pretty phone. Definitely kind of deviates from the norm at the minute, going with those kind of square boxy edge, that kind of a look. And honestly, I gotta say, I really dig it. These edges really do define the phone. I mean, they are really grippy, and I just gotta say, I think Apple did a really good job with the design of this phone. Alright guys, so those were my first impressions of the iPhone 12 in product red color. I will be doing an in-depth review of this phone, so stay tuned for that, guys. It's been a pleasure making this video. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gents. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.